Today we're going to be reviewing a USB to DisplayPort cable. This one is 6 feet. Here's what's in the bag. You just have the nice braided thick cable. This is good to connect your MacBook Mini, MacBook Pros to your displays. You could do 4K, 6K. It's gold plated. This right here is gold plated. So it's high quality. You can see it right there. So it's fast rate, well made. If you can see, it's braided. This cable is fast. It's fast bandwidth, fast audio, fast video. So you can connect this to your phones, to your Macs. It's not all the Macs, it's all Macs, MacBook Pro from 2017 and up. Your Notes, your Samsungs, all these devices that can connect to a Thunderbolt monitor. You can see it on up to 4K to 6K. So it's super fast cable. It's well made, nylon cable. For the price, you can't beat it. If you're looking for a cable that is well made, it's super fast, high quality, and it's not gonna let you down, this is the one. It's super cheap, so read the reviews. The price doesn't make sense for such a great cable. So I definitely recommend it. Hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.